Word of the day: replicate. To replicate means to reproduce or copy something. It can refer to duplicating an experiment or study in order to confirm or validate its results, or to creating an exact copy of a physical object or digital file.
Verb: to replicate is to reproduce or make an exact copy of something. Example: the scientists were able to replicate the results of the previous experiment.
Adjective: replicate can be used as an adjective to describe something that is an exact copy or reproduction of something else. Example: the replicate painting was almost impossible to distinguish from the original.
Noun: a replicate is a copy or reproduction of something, often used in the context of scientific experiments to refer to a repetition of an experiment in order to confirm or disprove the results obtained in an initial trial. Example: the researchers conducted 3 replicates of the experiment to ensure the accuracy of the results. Synonyms: copy, double, duplicate, reduplicate, repeat.
Word story. The young inventor had been working on his latest creation for months. He had finally perfected the design for a machine that could replicate any object placed inside it. He couldn't wait to test it out and see what it could do. He put a small statue of a horse inside the machine and activated it. To his amazement, the machine began to hum to life, and within seconds, an exact replica of the statue emerged from the other end. Excited by his success, the inventor began to think of all the possibilities this technology could bring, from creating endless copies of rare objects to revolutionizing manufacturing. He knew that this could change the world forever.
Let's see how to use the word replicate in the work setting.
We need to replicate the process we used for the last project in order to ensure the same level of success.
The team is working on a way to replicate the results of the pilot program across the entire company.
I will replicate the presentation and send it to the other departments for review.
The new software allows us to replicate the data across multiple servers for added security.
We are trying to replicate the market success we had in the US and the international market.